Hi, my name is Andy Hansen, and I am your online English teacher. I apologize that I did not post this earlier this week, but I did not know I was even going to be teaching online until a few days ago. Um, I've taught online classes before, and I've taught English for probably about 10 years now. So I'm really excited to be here and be going through this journey with all you guys. Um, a little bit about myself. I am a musician. I love to play guitar and piano and do some violin. I love to garden. Um, I have a large, massive garden. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can kind of see it out there. I got some raspberry bushes. I'm doing this in my room because my office is being remodeled downstairs. I have three great kids. I have a daughter and a son and another daughter. I've been married for 13 years. Um, just really happy to have my family. Um, okay, let me kind of fill you guys in on a few things. Um, all right. If this is your first time doing an online class, let me recommend to you that you get into a habit of checking in, if not daily, at least weekly. Um, start off the week seeing what assignments that you have to do each week. If you don't get in that habit, you'll start forgetting that you have things to do, and eventually they'll start piling up. Okay, so be checking in as regularly as you can. Um, when I did an online class, I actually did my whole master's degree online. I had once that I had four classes. Um, and how I had to do it is I had to make a decision about, what time I would do my homework, when I would check. So um, during the week, I would dedicate a day to a class. Just the whole day, I would read a book or I'd write my papers, and that would be what that day was for. And that covered the 4 days, and that gave me a little extra time. I could turn in some things if there was something that was time sensitive. For you guys, what I'd recommend, if you want to do your English class, get everything done in a day, you can do that if your mind works better that way. If you like the normal in-person schedule where you do a little bit each day, that's fine too. But you got to just plan right from the start of the week. This is how I'm going to do it. Okay? You can't wait. That would be my recommendation. Okay, set a goal, have a plan. Um, for my part, guys, again, this is new to me, so I don't know all the bells and whistles of the program, but I will do my best to answer any questions that you might have. If you notice on the top of each page, you have my email address. You also have a thing that is called Remind that you can shoot me a text message. I'll get those much faster than emails in most instances. But I will try to be as responsive and in a timely manner as I can. It's usually going to be during the day, so if you text me at like midnight, don't necessarily expect a response back until the next day. Um, I will also just be grading your assignments. I'll be giving you feedback. I'll again help you if you have specific questions on how to accomplish something. Um, I will be sending out weekly reports to you and your parents. So if you're falling behind, just expect each week that you're going to get an email, and your folks will get an email saying, "Hey, Johnny here didn't finish this week's work. Just double check and make sure he's getting that in." Okay, it's so important that you keep pace. I would really very much like it if I did not get all your work the last 2 weeks of school. I will not be happy if that is how it goes down. And I know some of you are going to push it to that, and I will do the best I can. But please try to be punctual on that stuff. And I'm going to be checking each week, and I'm going to be sending notifications to you and your folks. Okay, that's not a threat. That's just hopefully an encouragement. Okay. Um, See, and parents, this is for you. My strong recommendation is please be checking your email regularly. I'm still figuring out how to work this in PowerSchool. I think they just said I'm going to put a final grade in that at the end of the trimester. But if you'll be checking emails, and I'll be letting you know how your student's doing, you can certainly shoot me questions that way. But that's going to be happening every single week. Um, all right, well, guys, I'm so excited to be doing this. I think it's going to be really exciting. It's different. It's a new experience. Please don't feel disconnected. I'm here for you. I will reach out. Don't be afraid to reach out to me if you need help with something. I am here to help you. Okay. Anyways, guys, thank you so much, and I will see you maybe someday, but at least virtually. All right. Thanks, guys.